Today I'm going to share with you this insane forex trading scalping strategy with no indicators needed. Anyone can learn this super easy scalping strategy, and my children will learn this from me, and we will be making money from the market together. This is very simple and you can make money very easy, you just need to practice. Make sure to like and subscribe to avoid getting confused by other YouTubers who are only making trading videos with a bunch of indicators that don't really work just to get views and not to help you make money. I know how it feels like when all you do is lose more than you make, so stick around if you want to change the cycles of losses into huge winning streaks. I know I said that we are not going to use any indicators. This super simple indicator is not the ones they sold you saying you will make 100% profit every day. This is an Asian range, it's just a simple indicator which shows you when the market was not fully active. It's a free indicator that you can add to your trading view chart and start using, and I will show you how it works. So for those of you who like scalping on the 1 minute, 5 minutes, 15 minutes timeframes for super easy trades, this is a tool you will always need until you are consistent. Now let us begin with this scalping trade example from the 1 minute timeframe that I saw last week, which ended up giving us 1:16 risk to reward. This is not a forex scalping trading strategy that uses indicators like the moving average, MACD, stochastics, etc. This is all about observing what the market is doing and taking advantage because you will be looking for what you know works. It's like taking candy from a baby. So the first thing we need to observe is the Asian range, and during the Asian session, we don't want to see any aggressive moves from the market, we just want to see slow moves, and then after the session ends, that's when we can expect impulsive moves to occur for us to get sniper scalping entries. So now what we can see is the previous day's low taken out, which is the sauce for the setup. Why the previous day's low, you ask? It's because most traders have their stop losses below that low, and the market will take the low out and then go in the intended direction, which is high. As you can see on this example, we have manipulated the previous day's low. This means that the stop losses which were below the previous day's low have been tapped, so anyone who was in a buy is no longer in the trade and they took a loss, or anyone who had a sell stop below the previous day's low is now in a losing position because the market put them in a sell and then reversed to give a buy setup. This is what you would experience if you don't have the right knowledge. If you are liking the video so far, feel free to like and subscribe and click the link in the description and join my Telegram group where you will find a PDF with everything we discussed. The link is below, and you want to have the PDF which you will have next to you every time you want to trade the forex market with sniper entries. Now we can see that the market is struggling to go any lower, but if it was a trading robot they sold you which doesn't work, it would be going full margin on your account with sell positions while we wait for our sniper entry buys, which are just super easy because we know what we are waiting for. You don't want to be the little kid that gets their candy taken away by the market. Losing in the market is not normal because trading is easy and financial freedom is exactly what you need at this point. You should be stressing about other things in life like what clothes to wear, which place you should travel to next, which car you should drive and so much more, and not stressing about money. Make sure you watch the video until the end because I'm going to share important tips that will help you improve with your trading. As you can see here, we have marked an important high, and we see this high from the lowest low. So when we manipulate the previous day's low, we have to observe the lowest low and the high, which was formed before the lowest low, which is this high right here and this low right here. Once we trade above this high, we call this a break of structure, and it means that the market is entering a bullish condition, and we will be observing areas to buy from. As you can see, I have marked up this buy area right here, and we call this zone an order block. Stay tuned and make sure you are making notes because you don't want to miss any of the steps. So an order block is just the last area that buys happened, and we will be looking for a continuation of the bullish move in that same zone. At the high of this candle is where we will be looking to get our entries from, and at the low is where we will be looking to place our small stop loss at, and we will be looking at the high as a target. So with this strategy you will be confident and not have to look at your phone all the time, hoping for a losing trade to be in profit. With this strategy you either take a small loss or make huge gains, that's if you are following a good risk management plan. This is how the trade played out, and if you get 3 of these trades per week, you will be very close to reaching your financial goals in no time. You wouldn't even feel any pain trading with this method. This is a very simple scalping strategy that you should always strive to be good at in order to make thousands and thousands of dollars every week, and I will show you how you can turn $50 into $5,000 in less than a month. This is game-changing for scalpers, and most traders won't let you know about this if you are still new to trading because they are afraid that you will make more money than they do. But lucky for you, you came across my channel. It could be your last time seeing this video if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, so don't forget to like and subscribe and join my Telegram group. There is a lot more to share with you which you will find on my Telegram. This is just a simple no-indicator scalping trading strategy. So now let's recap. We have the Asian range that we don't want to see any aggressive moves in the market around this time. We will only be waiting for the market to give us a manipulation of previous day's lows in order for us to look for our buy setups. And we can see on this image that we have the low manipulated and the market then provided us with an easy buy setup. Imagine taking a buy when everyone is taking sells. In the market you always want to have an edge, and most people fail to build an edge because they watch only 3 minutes from a 5-minute video and then think that they are ready to trade. If you can't watch a small 5-minute video that will change your life, then you should question yourself about what you really want from life and ask yourself if you really want to be successful or not. I know it's not easy having to work on yourself, but what's not easy is knowing that you should be successful but looking at the mirror and feeling guilty for not being the person you deserve to be. Trading is for everyone, but not everyone is able to be the trader they should be because they don't have the right tools. Or they have the right tools, but they are not using them properly. I'll see you on the next video. Thank you for subscribing. You are now considered my day ones. Don't forget to check out the PDF I have made for you on my Telegram, so click the link in the description below.